Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to see the direct messages or check your direct messages on the TikTok. And now let's dive right in now to see or check your direct messages on TikTok app. Let's open the TikTok app first. And after you have opened your TikTok account like this or the TikTok app on your phone, you can see the inbox icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just beside the plus icon. Tap on that inbox, and over here guys, all of your messages will be over here, but the direct messages from another accounts will be like this. You can see the message requests option available over here just above the first chat. Tap on that message request, and you can see guys, this is the direct messages from a friend who sent me but who is not on my friend list, but and also he's not able to send me messages, but this is the direct messages on my inbox. And there guys, this is how you check or see your direct messages on your TikTok. And now if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.